Well, it's Jeremy with DreamCDo, and I'm really stoked to be here to show you our newest feature launch, which is the single biggest set of upgrades we have ever done with the platform. And the entire core experience has been modernized and looks great. Even starting with these icons here, like with the workshops. Currently you're in workshops. I'm just gonna kind of click into a workshop here. What's super neat and something new is that everything is much wider open, a lot cleaner to navigate. You'll notice that the sections you can start to see when you've had progress. You can always click and open a video to watch the video. You can see here your steps like usual, but everything's been opened up and redesigned. Up top here, you have this progress monitor, which we never had before, so you can see how far along you are in your workshop or program. It's both a bar here and also percentage. And then we've moved and simplified where the icons are that you can access as well. You can look at all activity for that program right here. You can go to a leaderboard just to see, look at Nikki completed this program. You can also add supporters here, and that could be like a manager or a teammate or a colleague, or even a cousin, just to kind of support you through your progress, give you comments, etc. It's a really powerful feature if you want to try that out. It helps you with encouragement to continue with the great learning and growth that you're doing. You can also click on this icon, and as you see when you hover over any of these, you'll tell you what it is to see all the resources that you have, audio files, videos, etc. And this is new events. So any events that you have, you can see here I have an event in the future. You can kind of click if you're going to attend that, because everything is synced with your calendar if you sync one time on DreamCDo. And when that comes up, you're able to click here into that event. We added that icon there, so you can always just kind of click and see all events in one place. As I continue to go into the actual program, and I'm just going to kind of click back here, I'm going to go into this, see this first step, which I've completed, and I'm going to go to this next step. So we added this navigation where you can kind of go back to the workshops area if you're in the first step, just to kind of go to your home base there. Go back into the same workshop I was in. We actually also removed the menu bar, but you can always access that with this little handy dandy hamburger. You can see the menu and access your other features here, or close that out. So you're just focused on your core learning experience for that particular workshop. And what you can see here is you can see who has completed that particular step. And it says if you complete that, it will unlock your ability to see their responses, right? So now I can go in and say, I learned a ton about mindfulness, and whatever else you want to say there. As you can see, everything is in line now. So you can journal, you can do a video response right from here. I'm gonna go back to journaling, and it kind of saves my response that I just had. Change your privacy settings. I can even add emojis now, which is fun. We didn't have that before. Always wanted to keep things clean, but got lots of requests to add emojis, so you can do that. And then I'm gonna submit this. And now you're gonna see this pulsating button to show responses. I can look at all the responses of everyone else in my cohort, all in one beautiful window pane on the right. Now that's been a big, massive improvement for us to consolidate all of that commenting and the responses in one place. These are the actual responses to the same exercise. If you just want to see your own comments, you can just click the comments button and comments would show. I don't have any comments right now, but they would show right here. Trust me on that one. And again, going back to the responses, these are all the responses and the comments within each. So there's threaded comments here, so I can kind of open up and see what the comments are. I can add these fun emojis. We updated that as well. We used to only have awesome for those that have been on DreamCDo, and that was done purposefully just to be really focused, but we added just a bit more expression here to have a bit more fun, continuing to have awesome be sort of the default one, just to keep our ethos. Yeah, that's the commenting and responses area. And again, I can go on to that next step. You'll see that little check mark come up to show you that you have completed that step. And here we are in our brand new self-assessment and surveys and forms. We made this just to look really beautiful. It's actually very similar to things like Typeform. So you can begin that. You can always kind of scroll down if you want with your scroll, or you can hit enter when you're done. But here we go going through, and it'll automatically move you forward. And it's just a beautiful interface, just a lot more intuitive, easy, more open and spacious than we've ever had before. So we're really excited about this. You submit that, and now it automatically moves you to the next step. You saw that check mark because the administrator set it to automatically move you to the next step. Now let's take a quick peek at the symbol down here. And as you can see, you need to finish all elements before you can move forward. In this case, it's booking a one-on-one coaching session, but it might be a self-assessment or a cool prompt and response for practice and reflection like you saw earlier in the tour. And then when you click this, it'll light up anything in red that you need to complete. So thanks for coming today to check out all the new cool things we've done to modernize DreamCDU and the experience for you. We really hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform. Have a great day. Cheers.